Welcome back to Channel V8X, where horsepower lives and legends are born. Today we're looking at the brutal, aggressive, pavement-destroying 2026 Mustang GT500 in glossy black, and this machine is pure American muscle insanity. From the very first front view, this car looks like a predator ready to attack. That massive grille, those razor-sharp LED lights, and that low wide stance scream dominance. This is not just a car, this is a warning. Slide over to the side view, and the body lines are absolutely savage. Long hood, muscular fenders, blacked out wheels, every angle looks sculpted for speed. This thing doesn't sit still, even parked, it looks fast. Now the rear view, unreal. The quad exhaust setup, aggressive diffuser, glowing taillights, this Mustang looks like it wants to set the street on fire. And with that custom Channel V8X plate on the back, it looks like a true performance king. Step inside the dashboard cabin, and the energy changes. Fighter jet style cockpit, digital performance cluster, premium materials. This isn't basic transportation, this is a command center for 800 horsepower madness. Check those rear seats, yes, even the back carries attitude. Sporty, premium, performance focused. Every inch of this machine says GT500. Then the heart of the monster, the engine view. Supercharged V8 Fury. This isn't engineering, this is mechanical violence. Around 800 horsepower, raw American thunder, and a sound that shakes your chest. Now put this beast on the highway, and everything comes alive. The rolling shot is pure cinema. The black paint reflecting the road, the speed, the presence. This Mustang doesn't drive, it charges. And in the showroom shot, it looks like artwork, a collector piece, a dream machine, a future classic. Now let's talk price. Expected pricing for the 2026 Mustang GT500 could land around $85,000 to $100,000, and fully loaded performance packages could push beyond $110,000. But here's the truth, you're not paying for a car. You're paying for 800 horsepower. You're paying for supercharged V8 heritage. You're paying for intimidation. You're paying for a machine that shocks traffic and owns highways. And compared to exotic supercars costing twice as much, this thing looks like a performance bargain. The black finish is lethal. The stance is aggressive. The angles are outrageous. The design is pure muscle art. Front view, dominant. Side view, beautifully brutal. Rear view, menacing. Dashboard, race ready. Rear cabin, premium. Engine bay, explosive. Highway shot, cinematic. Showroom presence, legendary. This is the kind of car that makes people stop filming Ferraris and start filming you. The 2026 Mustang GT500 Black isn't here to compete. It's here to take over. If Ford delivers this monster the way enthusiasts expect, this could be one of the most insane American muscle cars ever built. And honestly, this isn't just hype, this is horsepower history in the making. This is Channel V8X, where muscle lives, speed rules, and legends never die. Like, subscribe, and stay locked in for more brutal machines here on Channel V8X.